In this video, we are going to talk about electrical ports. So first we'll see what is a port and then we'll go for the single port, right? So in an ordinary sense, a port is a place where materials are loaded or unloaded. And in an electrical network, if you have an element or device that might be having a pair of terminals through which the current enters or leaves. Similarly, the pair of terminals across which the voltage is measured, then that can be taken as a port. So in an electrical network, this forms a single port network. If you refer this picture or diagram, it has a pair of terminals through which the current enters or and leaves, and a pair of terminals across which the voltage is measured. A resistor is an element or device of single port. So here you can see that we have the first terminal and the second terminal, so it is a pair of terminals, and through the first terminal the current enters and through the second terminal the current leaves. So across this first and second terminal you can measure the voltage also. So hence resistor is a single port network. Similarly, capacitor is also a single port network, inductor is also a single port network. Okay, thank you.